Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Horse art decor, 20 stunning look. Love horses? Me too. Everyone asks me where I bought the horse art that hangs in my family room. See where I bought it and see 20 gorgeous horse art looks for your home. Horse art is a big design trend right now. Decorate your home with your passion for these breathtaking animals. See black and white horse photography, neutral prints, modern and classic art prints. All with an equine vibe. Horse art prints are gorgeous home decor accents to hang in a living room, family room, office, den, bedroom or mudroom. Add one to a gallery wall or as a single focal point above a fireplace, bed or sofa for instant impact. They fit into any decor style too. Traditional, modern, farmhouse, transitional, and boho. As a young girl I loved riding horses. My friend had several at her farm. When I was 13 I had one amazing summer at horse riding camp. I've always dreamed of owning my own horse someday. The closest I can get right now is this beautiful abstract equine art that I hung over our family room sectional sofa. I get questions all the time from readers asking me where I bought this large print. I bought it at Home Goods, HomeSense in Canada, a few years ago. I just love how it just makes my room. This abstract piece gives our room such a beautiful designer look. I think you probably won't be able to find it at Home Goods now, so I put together a collectie.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.